Mama told me when I was young, sit beside me, yeah, my only son. Listen closely to what I say. If you do this, it'll help you some sunny day. Take your time, don't live too fast. Troubles come, yeah, and they will pass. Find a woman, yeah, and you'll find love. Don't forget, son, there's someone up above. And be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. I want you to do this for me, son, if you your lust, and so on. More of the same. Well, hi there, pluckers. I have a sore fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. This is my take on a classic song from Lynyrd Skynyrd called Simple Man. This is part 2 when we're doing the verses, the chorus, etc. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in a different key, slightly different key to the original recording. If you want to play along with the original recording, you have to detune your guitar from standard by half a step, okay? Then you'll be able to play along with the recorded versions, okay? I'm doing it in standard because most people are already in standard, okay? It makes it simpler for everybody, okay? So let's get to it. So after you've done the arpeggiated intro, which I showed you in part 1, okay? A couple of times or 4 times, how many times you want to do it, okay? So you've got the old you come out of that and you go, when you've done it how many times you want to do it, that you lead up is the first sort of singing parts, okay? Mama told me, okay? So after you come out of that, Mama told me. Now, you could carry on doing that picking all the way through the verse, but I find that quite hard to do when I'm trying to sing it and read the words. So I just do it as a simple random picking. There's no pattern to it. I'm just picking and strumming a bit as I feel. Okay, so Mama told me when I was young, and all it is C to G to A minor, just like the intro, twice as long on the A minor, and when you get to the end of the A minor second part, just add your pinky to that top E string like you did on the intro. Okay, so Mama told me when I was young. Pinky, like that on the upstroke, and then you do that lead up again. Sit beside me, my only son. Listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, hope it's some sunny day. Okay, got that, and don't forget that lead up, open A string, second on the fifth, third on the fifth, every beginning of each line. Okay, Mama told me when I was young, sit beside me. Got the idea? So that's to the end of the first word. That's sunny day. Then you got this break where it goes, does that build up again to C, but you just hit the C chord like that. Okay, and you got this little riff, a slide, the way I play it anyway, 5th fret, 5th string, slides up to the 7th fret and back to the 5th. Okay, so you got, and then to the 3rd fret on the 5th, and then a G chord, and then you repeat that slide, 5th to 7 back to 5 to 3, and then A minor. Okay, so and then A minor, and what I do there is you hit the A minor, and then you play the bottom E string open, and with pinky or third finger, whichever is more comfortable for you, you sort of go, you open bottom E string, 3rd fret on the bottom E string, and then open bottom E string again, and then another A minor. So the whole thing is the break, have you come out of that last line over again, and if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day. Here comes the break. Repeat the whole thing. And then you start another verse again by doing the lead up. Take your time, take your time, don't live too fast. It's exactly the same to play as the first verse with different words, okay? Take your time, don't live too fast. Troubles come and they will pass. Troubles come, woman, and you'll find love. And don't forget, son, there's someone up above. And at that point you do that little riff again that you did at the end of the first break, where you go, right, A minor, bottom E string, 3rd fret bottom E string with pinky, bottom E string, A minor. So it goes, and don't forget son, sorry, don't forget son, sorry, where are we? Yes. Sunny day, sorry. And you do this, go from that bit, okay? And you do this, there'll be some sunny day. Right, break. Take your time, don't live too fast. Troubles come, yeah, and they will pass. Find a woman, and you'll find love. Don't forget someone up above. Okay, as far as we've got. Now we do into what I call the chorus, and be as simple. Now this is like single chords to some extent. It goes, there's no build up, it just goes, and be as simple, strike the C, right, and be as simple, then the C to G, so be as simple, kind of man. then G to A minor. So it's C, C to G, G to A minor. Okay? Be a simple kind of man. And then do that riff again. Okay, and then does the same again. Be something you love, understand. Baby, a simple kind of man. And won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Okay, got that? So coming out into the chorus, and be a simple kind of man. Be something you love, understand. Baby, be a simple, kind of man. And won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Then you go into the instrumental bit again, like the intro. Get your lust for the rich man with gold, and then it just repeats everything again, really. Okay, just more of the same with different words. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope that helps play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson, whatever it might be. Bye for now.